Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money from YouTube. But before we get into the subject matter, for those of you who haven't subscribed, you can subscribe to this channel first so you don't miss our latest video. Okay, talking about make money from YouTube, as we know that now YouTube has become the largest video content provider on the internet. Although almost all videos on YouTube come from YouTube account owners who upload videos through their channel. A lot of us, if we want to find videos about entertainment, tutorials, and even news, we access YouTube. Because only by using a smartphone and internet data network connection, we will very easily access YouTube and enjoy the videos in it wherever we are, as long as we are connected to the internet network. Perhaps, when talking about the number of the people who access YouTube, it may be able to reach millions of people who access YouTube every day. What does it mean? With such a large amount of access, we can conclude that YouTube with various kinds of videos in it has such a large traffic. In the business world, with such a large amount of traffic, it has the potential to generate large sales. Therefore, consciously or unconsciously, we often the advertisements in YouTube videos that we access, because many companies that advertise their product through YouTube videos. So, in addition to the company can insert its product advertisement in YouTube videos, the owner of the videos channel that displays the ad will also get revenue sharing from the advertising services. So, the more people who access and view a video, the more ads in the video are seen or clicked on by people who see, the greater the potential income earned by the YouTube channel owner or video owner. And the owner of the video may we call it a publisher. And the question is, can we also become a publisher and have income from YouTube? The answer is very possible and very possible. And then, how to make money online from YouTube? Okay, we will try to discuss how, namely step by step in general description of how to get income from YouTube. And specifically in this video, the point we will discuss is income as a YouTube partner from AdSense, namely the income we get from placing special ads in the form of YouTube AdSense, where later advertisements that appear in our videos are advertisements that will automatically be displayed by YouTube according to the type of our video contents or according to someone's search. Some steps that must be passed in the process we can become a YouTube AdSense publisher are: 1. The media we use is YouTube. In this case, it is clear enough, because our target is to get income from YouTube. So we have to use YouTube as the main media, where the content that we make is in the form of videos. 2. Determine the main niche and topic of our channel. In utilizing YouTube media, the main content is in the form of videos. Then, the content must be referred to a topic. Therefore, when making a channel on YouTube, we must determine the main topic that will be discussed in the videos that we will upload later, so that the video material that we will create always focus on the main topic. For example, if the main topic is about automotive, the video content that we upload must be consistent about automotive. If the main content is about traveling, then the video content that we upload must also always be related to traveling. Do not let the video content that we make out of the main topic of our channel. 3. Create a YouTube account and channel that we will use to upload videos. After you finish determining the main topic, then the next is to create a YouTube account and YouTube channel. And in your YouTube account, there will be 2 channels later. May we refer to it as a personal channel and branding or business channel. For monetization purpose, it is strongly recommended to use channel branding or business, and the steps to create a channel maybe we will discuss in a separate video. 4. Make video with material that is relevant to your niche or channel topic. After you have a YouTube account and have created a branding channel, then next is to make videos that you will upload on the channel. And as we have discussed on the previous point, that video content must be relevant to the main topic that has been set, so that the material in your video will consistently discuss the topic. 5. Uploading videos to our YouTube channel. When you have finished making videos, the next steps is to upload videos to the YouTube channel. And during the upload process, you can add interesting titles, descriptions, text, and thumbnail in the video. Especially for the title, description, and text, you can optimize by writing in accordance with certain keywords, which are relevant to the material in your video. This will make it easier for your video to enter the search engine and make it easier for people to get video contents that match with your video material. 6. Traffic optimization by way of SEO and social media optimization. In uploading videos, of course, we want many channel visitors and viewers of our videos. Therefore, in addition to SEO optimization steps in terms of title, description, and text, to maximize the number of visitors, you can also share your YouTube video link through to social media that you have, like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and the like. Who knows, from the share link that you do, there are some of your friends who are interested in your video content and visit and viewing your video. 7. Monetize if traffic is enough to meet YouTube's requirements. From your channel and video uploaded, YouTube has a policy to be able to monetize your channel and videos. Of course, with the requirements in accordance with YouTube policies in force. At least, when we made this video, one of the formal requirements that must be met is your channel has a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and your videos have been viewed at least 4,000 hours in the past 1 year. After these requirements are met, you can submit a review for YouTube Adsense monetization approval. In more detail related to this monetization point, we will try to discuss in separate video. Okay, The last is point 8. Get the income. Get income if the balance has been reached the minimum limits to be taken. After the YouTube party has approved the monetization submission through YouTube Adsense, then your videos will be inserted ads by YouTube, where when your video is accessed and viewed by someone, and ads will appear according to the setting. And from these advertisements, then you are entitled to get the revenue share from the advertisement that appear on your video. And for the system, for the results in accordance with the provision of the applicable YouTube, then the income from YouTube AdSense will be transferred to your account in accordance with the applicable YouTube provision if it meets the minimum balance that we can take. Well, that was a few discussion points as an overview of the general steps in the process of how to get income from YouTube. Hopefully, it can add references and be useful for you, especially for those of you who want to make money online, especially from YouTube. Thank you for your attention and see you in our next video.